clinical-style drug monograph for Formoterol, almost textbook pharmacology manual format. Formoterol detailed monograph. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand names, and drug forms. Generic name, Formoterol. Drug class, long-acting beta-2 adrenergic agonist, LA. Sympathomimetic bronchodilator. Brand names depending on country region, Formoterol, Oxys, Perforomist. In combinations, Symbicort, budesonide formoterol, Dulera, mometasone formoterol. Available forms, inhalation powder capsule 12 milligrams for use with specific inhaler devices, dry powder inhaler, DPI, nebulizer solution, Perforomist 20 milligrams per 2 milliliters, pressurized metered dose inhaler, MDI, in fixed dose combinations with corticosteroids. Definition. Formoterol is a long-acting bronchodilator that relaxes airway smooth muscles, allowing easier breathing. It works within minutes, rapid onset, and provides bronchodilation for up to 12 hours, making it suitable for maintenance therapy in asthma and COPD, but not for acute rescue use. 3. Mechanism of action. Binds selectively to beta-2 adrenergic receptors on airway smooth muscle. Activates adenylate cyclase, increases cyclic adenosine monophosphate, CAMP. CAMP activates protein kinase A, pKa, inhibits phosphorylation of myosin, lowers intracellular calcium, smooth muscle relaxation. Result, bronchodilation, improved airflow, reduced bronchospasm. Additional effects, inhibits release of mast cell mediators, histamine, leukotrienes, increases mucociliary clearance. Number 4 uses, long-term control of asthma symptoms with inhaled corticosteroid. Long-term maintenance of COPD symptoms, including chronic bronchitis and emphysema. Prevention of exercise-induced bronchospasm, in certain patients, off-label in some regions. 5. Indications, asthma, for patients not adequately controlled on inhaled corticosteroids, ICS, always used in combination with ICS. COPD, maintenance treatment to reduce exacerbations and improve lung function, not indicated for acute bronchospasm. Number 6. Contraindications. Known hypersensitivity to formoterol or formulation components. Asthma monotherapy with LABA without ICS increases risk of asthma-related death, status asthmaticus, or acute severe asthma attack. Number 7, precautions before taking. Inform the physician if patient has cardiovascular disease, arrhythmias, ischemic heart disease, hypertension, diabetes mellitus may elevate blood glucose, hyperthyroidism, thyrotoxicosis, seizure disorders, epilepsy, hypokalemia risk, due to concurrent diuretic, corticosteroid, or xanthine use. Pregnancy, Category C, use only if benefit outweighs risk. Breastfeeding, excretion in breast milk is unknown, caution advised. 8. How to use, route, inhalation only, never swallow capsule solution. Instructions, use device correctly, capsule inhalers, DPI, or nebulizer. Always use in combination with an ICS for asthma. Do not exceed prescribed dose. Rinse mouth after use, especially when combined with steroid, to reduce risk of oral thrush. Number 9. Dosing information. Adults, COPD, capsule inhalation DPI, 12 milligrams inhaled every 12 hours. Nebulizer solution, 20 micrograms via nebulizer every 12 hours. Asthma with ICS, 12 micrograms every 12 hours. Maximum daily dose, 48 milligram per day divided doses. Children, 5 years for asthma, 12 micrograms inhaled every 12 hours with ICS. Exact dosing varies with formulation and brand. Always follow product label. Number 10. Missed dose, overdose. Missed dose, take as soon as remembered. If near next dose, skip missed one. Do not double dose. Overdose symptoms. Chest pain, tachycardia, palpitations, headache, tremor, nervousness, hypotension or hypertension, hypokalemia, arrhythmias, seizures. Treatment of overdose, supportive, consider beta blocker, with caution in asthmatic COPD patients. Number 11. Stop or avoid taking. Do not stop abruptly if on combination therapy. Discuss with physician. Do not use for acute asthma attacks. Avoid duplicate LABA therapy with salmeterol, indacaterol, vilanterol, olodaterol. 12 side effects. Common, do 1%. Tremor, nervousness, headache, palpitations, rapid heart rate, nausea, dizziness, muscle cramps, throat irritation, cough. Serious, rare, chest pain, angina, arrhythmias, severe hypertension or hypotension, paradoxical bronchospasm, life-threatening, anaphylaxis or severe allergic reaction, hypokalemia, hyperglycemia. Number 13. Vital information. Black box warning, FDA. LABAs may increase the risk of asthma-related death when used without ICS. Always carry a short-acting BD2 agonist SABA, such as albuterol, for rescue. Regular follow-up required for monitoring asthma COPD control. Monitor cardiac status, heart rate, BP, ECG if needed, serum potassium and glucose in at-risk patients. Number 14, drug interactions. Other adrenergic agents, additive cardiovascular effects, non-selective beat valve blockers, e.g. propranolol, antagonize formoterol effect, risk of bronchospasm. Diuretics, loop thiazide, corticosteroids, theophylline may potentiate hypokalemia. MAO inhibitors and tricyclic antidepressants enhance cardiovascular side effects. QT prolonging drugs, e.g. quinidine, sotalol, macrolides, risk of arrhythmia. Thank you. Have a nice day.